Josel, grade 1, 7 years old. I live in Barangay Mangaka, Pastarlak. Greater than, less than, or equal. Level 1. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 11 is greater than 10. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 9 is less than 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 10 is less than 11. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 10 is less than 11. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 13 is less than 14. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 13 is less than 14. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 17 is less than 18. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 15 is less than 18. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 9 is less than 12. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 11 is equal to 11. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 13 is equal to 13. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 16 is equal to 60. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 17 is greater than 16.
Yan ang batang IVFC. Matinik sa mathematics. Yung mga batang gustong matuto sa math, inaanyayahan ko po kayo upang sumali sa online class tuwing Monday hanggang Saturday. Yung mga batang grade 1, alauna hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. See you there! Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.